Good day to everyone, especially to you, Ma'am Lea Vidal Agrada. I am Teresa Joy Leones, the leader of Group 6, along with my group members, Palma Jazal, Nadera Ria, Palacio Rhea May, Medico Rowena, and Iday Edet. This is the GE4 Mathematics Role Play presentation. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Family Feud Fast Money. We have one guest to play with us. Please welcome Miss Edet Uday.
Hi everyone!
Category of this game is geometric designs. The seconds on the clock, please. It is about the discovery of form and shape that connect to the nature of the child. In the first instance, it is about a visual literacy of shape recognition of an early age.
Oh my god, I know this. It is geometric thinking?
Next, it is a general term for four specific ways to manipulate the shape or position of a point, a line, or geometric figure.
Transformation.
The science is studying the influence of shape on people. It claims that each shape that has its own meaning and influences.
Is it psychology of shapes?
Last questions. It is a collection shapes, repeating or altered to create a cohesive design.
Geometric patterns?
Okay, let's check your answer. You got the correct answer. Congratulations, Miss Uday.
Oh, thank you guys for allowing me to play in this segment.
Geometric design is a popular trend that showcases basic shapes in creative designs. It studies especially the construction and manipulation of curves and surfaces given by a set.
Geometric thinking is about the discovery of form and shape that connect to the nature of the child. Is it about a visual literacy of shape recognition? The Van Hill model of geometric thinking is one theory that offers a model for explaining and describing geometric thinking. According to the theory, there are 5 levels of thinking in geometry. In level 0, visualization, pupils use visual perception and non-verbal thinking. They do not identify the properties of geometric figures. In level 1, analysis, pupils start analyzing and naming properties of geometric figures. They can measure, fold, and cut paper, use geometric software, and etc. In level 2, abstraction, pupils receive relationships between properties and figures. They can show logical maps and diagrams. They use sketches, grid papers, geometric software. In level 3, deduction, students can give deductive geometric proofs. They understand the rule of definition, theorems, axioms, and proofs. In level 4, rigors, students understand the way how mathematical systems are established. They are able to use all types of proofs.
Let's talk about transformation. It is a general term for 4 specific ways to manipulate the shape or position of a point. A line or geometric figure, the original shape of the object is called the free image, and the final shape and position of the object is the image. There are 4 types of transformation. First is the reflection. In reflection, the image is the same size as the free image. Second is the rotation. In a rotation, the pre-image and image are the same size. Third is translation. In translation, the size of the image is the same size as the pre-image. And the last one is deletion. In deletion, the size of the image and the pre-image are different.
Next is the psychology of shapes. It is the science studying the influence of shapes on people. Shapes usually refer to geometric figures like squares, circles, rectangles, and etc. Squares and rectangles are the most widely used shapes. Majority of the common things that we use every day. like our smartphones, walls, furniture, books, monitors are square or rectangular in shape. These shapes best portray the sense of eternity as they have no beginning or end, including the sun, the moon, and the earth. Triangle is a dynamic, energetic, active, and powerful shape which that associate with motion and direction. These shapes exist in nature, like in shells and some flowers. The simplified versions of natural shapes and complex ideas are abstract shapes. As abstract shapes are generally stylized, they are difficult to recognize. Everything created by Mother Nature has a unique shape. Leaves, flowers, animals, trees, and etc. become the source of inspiration for artists and designers. Natural shapes have an apparent meaning for plants and animals which they symbolize.
At this time, let us talk about the last lesson, which is all about the geometric patterns. Geometric patterns are the collection of shapes repeating or altered to create a cohesive design. So in this case, I will give one example of geometric patterns. So Mylene and RJ are working on their math homework together, and they are supposed to draw a shape that continues a geometric patterns. But first, we need to figure out the pattern. This is the three different shapes: square, hexagon, and octagon. And they confuse what is the next shape. So what do you think? So guys, look at the shapes. In these three different shapes, there is no repeating, but the shapes are changing. And that is one of the pattern or hint to find the next shape. The first shape has 4 sides, and the next shape has 6 sides, and the last shape has 8 sides. So it means that all the sides increasing by 2, and the next shape will be decagon and it has 10 sides. We've just add 2 to the sides to find the next shape, and the decagon continues a geometric patterns. You need to know that geometric patterns are fantastic to use in designs because by nature, the human eye is naturally drawn to them. By pairing geometric patterns with an exciting color scheme, we can create engaging visual content that makes use of psychology of shape and artistry. That's all about geometric patterns. Thank you!